How to create a focus mode custom home screens. So let me show you how it works. If you are new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So at first we have to go to the regular home screen, right? Just go to the edit mode like that and just make sure you swipe all the way to the right, right? So you have you might have a couple of home screens, just get to the most the one on the right entirely, and then swipe one more time to create a brand new home screen page, right? So you'll be able to just grab like an icon or whatever and start a new page like that, right? So that is how it could work. And you basically just add a new one and you'll be able to just, add icons to it. And basically here you get to decide which icons are going to be here for the focus mode, right? So we can start customizing it, like we can add a widget or, an icon which you want to access inside of the focus mode. Once we're ready, we can go to the settings, tap on focus, and decide which focus is going to apply to. So it might be the work, for example. We're going to go to the customize screens, tap on edit for the home screen, and choose the newly created one to be visible when I enable that particular focus mode. So as I say, the next time I turn on this focus, only that home screen will be showing, right? So it's not gonna give me access to all of the other ones, and this one is specifically curated so I can only access the apps I actually need in that focus mode. So it's pretty simple to set up. You can even set up a completely different home screen for a different focus mode. So it takes a bit of time to set it up, but eventually it works out very well. So let me know what you think below. Let me know if you managed to make it work. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss anything important, and I'll see you later.